Hello, on this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on Fujitsu F-04G. Well, let's start. Ensure the power of the device. Okay, the device is off. Now we push together, volume up and down together, and then hold power button. Green light will show. Repeat, entering, repeat, pushing volume up and power button repeatedly. You will enter this recovery mode. Okay, on Android Fujitsu Rose F-04G. Well, I cannot answer how many times we push the button, power button and volume up after the green light shows. I can answer how many times, but just repeating fast, holding power button and volume up together after the green light it shows here. Okay, thank you.